Begin by removing the tunnel brace in order to lower the exhaust. Separate the center section of the exhaust from the rear portion. This car has aftermarket bolts here, but a stock exhaust should have studs with 19mm nuts. Remove it from the two hangers near the downpipes and lower the exhaust down. Unbolt and remove the center heat shield from the car. And you should now have access to the driveshaft carrier. Make a cut on each side of the bottom of the carrier. Using a razor blade, cut the carrier frame away from the bearing. Then unbolt the frame and remove it from the car. Cut the remaining excess rubber hanging off the center of the bearing all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber. But keep the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Now you can mount the new carrier. Start with the top half with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and attach the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer with the larger center opening, an isolation damper facing up, place it up through the carrier, add another isolation damper facing down, and the top washer depends on your car's transmission. For an 8-speed car, use the small gold washer. For a 6-speed car, use a fender washer with the smaller center opening. Loosely thread that side into the car. Repeat these steps on the other side. Shoulder bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up through the carrier, another damper facing down, and either a small gold washer or fender washer depending on your car's transmission. Thread that into the car and tighten both bolts down. Reinstall your exhaust, heat shield, and tunnel brace, and your installation is complete.